Welcome back to Pure Science Education, and today I'll bring you Maths and Science Part 1. This video focuses on bar graph, which is something that comes up in the exams, and Maths and Science is where you'll see lots of aspects of maths that takes part in science as well. Now, to clarify the confusion between them, I will be looking at different videos. In bar graphs, we're going to be looking at when do you plot them and what are the different types of bar graphs. Now, normally students get really confused if you are to plot a bar graph, a line graph, which can be called a scatter graph as well. So bar graph is when you have been given a numerical and a descriptive data. Now, we can call it qualitative and quantitative data, as well as discrete or continuous data. So these are the terminologies can be used in the exam, so you need to know the meaning of these words. And normally on the x-axis, your number of or frequency of, which is the numerical data normally. Very rarely you may see this on the horizontal axis as well. Now, in the bar graph, all the bars have to be equal width. So if you have a graph, you're looking at the bottom big squares, then you need to make sure they're equally width. Like if it's 1 centimeter, then each of these will be 1 centimeters in width. If you're doing a discrete or qualitative data, which is descriptive data, then there are gaps between the bars. If you have a bar line graph, which is normally discrete or qualitative data, you use lines rather than bars. And for any continuous data, which is data that you normally measure, so for example, length of plants, there are no gaps between the bars. These are the different types of graphs you can be asked to plot in an exam. Bar chart for continuous data, no gaps, number 1, which is showing you the different plant sizes, is one of the most common type of graphs you'll be asked to do in an exam. The horizontal one is the one in the purple. Very rarely in the GCSE exams you'll see that. It's normally given to you, which will be plotted rather than you have been asked to plot it. Bar chart for discrete, gaps between the bars, which is the data which is showing you the favorite sports, but remember there has to be equal gaps between the bars. And the final one is the top one, which is the bar line. Again, a very rare occasion you will be asked to do that in GCSE in science, but I just thought I'll show you all different types. Don't forget to watch all the different videos that are coming up in maths and science. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and do carry on watching them throughout your summer break. Thank you.